Welcome to your new home. We are here in Beverly Hills. This is 206 South Fillmore Street. This house has over 1,200 square feet of living area. It's been freshly painted, and one of my very favorite things is this fireplace. You don't get fireplaces in these homes in this area very often. So this is a home built in 1985. And you notice that there's a very nice flow to this house. So from the formal living room, we've got a nice dining area, a nice kitchen setup with an eat-in area off of the kitchen. In the back here, we have an extra den area. And then there is a sunroom porch that has a nice big hot tub that's ready to go. Just fill that baby up with some water, heat it up, and you will be enjoying relaxing evenings. That does stay with the house. Take you down to the 2 bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath house. Here's the full bath here. Tub shower combo. We have a nice large bedroom here. Notice that all the living area is tile floors. Another good sized bedroom. So we don't have any carpeting. A lot of homes have the carpet in the bedrooms. This house is all tile. Easy maintenance. Nice and cool as you walk around your home. A nice bank of cabinets here in the kitchen for pantry area. We've got the laundry room, sprinkler system, and then a half bath here right off of the laundry area. 1-car garage with a 1-door bay, and it's extra deep, so you do have some space for workshop, for some storage. The air handler has a nice door here to keep it enclosed and not visible. And then out back, we have a nice side door. And I'll take you around to the backyard. So a good sized backyard. This is about a 1/4 acre lot. And there is a shed over here, a little patio area, some trees for some added privacy. And then we do have a shed tucked back here as well for some extra storage space in the yard. So there you have it. This is a beautiful option here in Beverly Hills, Florida. We are centrally located, easy access to all of the great Florida lifestyle amenities like Disney, Tampa for shopping, Ocala is just a hop, skip, and a jump again, a good area for shopping and restaurants. Very family friendly here, and just a really great option. So $120,000 for this house. It's a great buy. I'm your Realtor on Demand. Give me a call with any questions that you have. Ruth Squires, 352-476-3303. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.